Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to open up the 14th box in both of the advent calendars. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, that's where we opened up Mantis in the Guardians and the Room of Requirement in Harry Potter. Let's get started with the 14th box. I'm pretty sure that this is the Guardians ship. It's actually a pretty cool little build. And in today's box we have this Guardians ship. It was honestly a little complicated to build since there were so many little parts. I think we got the color right, but the shape of it and the look, I think they could have done better, but I think it's pretty good. I can obviously tell that it's the Guardian's ship, but look to that and the Guardians there, it's a good build. And for the 14th box, we're still in the Order of the Phoenix. And oh goodness, this is, I know what this is. It's that place where there were all those blue glowy things. Oh gosh. Where's Sirius died? I'll remember it as I build it. Alright, so this build is the Hall of Prophecies, and it's underneath the Ministry of Magic. I told you I remember. I had to look it up. But, yeah, it's a pretty cool little arch with lots of prophecies. There's not much to it, but I think it's pretty cool. This, the build. I think that's it for Harry Potter. And as for what we got today, we got what I'm pretty sure is called the Milano and the Hall of Prophecy. Not the worst things we could have gotten. And they're pretty cool. I think that's it for today. So guys, tomorrow we open up the 14th. We just open up the 14th box. We open up the 15th box in these advent calendars. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.